want to show you how to sharpen a mower blade, but before that, you're missing one very important step, and I want to show you what that is. First step we're going to do is we're going to just pop off our spark plug, tuck that away. And the reason I wanted to disconnect the spark plug was because I use an impact to get this off, or you do it in such a way that it goes the wrong way, it could potentially start the engine, and that could cause a severe issue with your hands. Also, before you take the blade off, I'm going to put a big B for bottom. That way when you go to put it back together, you don't get it mixed up. So now we'll block that, just a block of wood right in there. So I'm using an impact with 5/8. Set that aside. There, now we got our blade off. Now I'll show you the step I was talking about. The one step people don't start with is balancing. I printed this on my 3D printer. This fits in there like that. Now you put your blade on here, and we're gonna get a baseline to see how balanced it actually is. As you can see, we got one side heavier than the other. We'll clean this up real quick and then we'll try it again. So this one's a little closer. All it means is there's more metal on that end than on this end. So now we'll go ahead and sharpen this. And you don't have to have a vise. Like, I'm just gonna clamp it right here on my table. There. I'm gonna get this cleaned up a little bit more. And you see how nicked up it is? What you want to do is flatten that out. So I'm going to use a sander. You can use a file. You can use a grinder. Okay, so we got our edge back. You want to get them nicks out because they can end up being cracks, and then your blade could crack and a chunk fly off. We don't want that. We want that whole thing to be shiny so we get the right angle. So here we have our blade. It's already balanced. Honestly, the biggest step is cleaning it, and that's gonna tell you right away if it's out of whack before you even sharpen or rebalance. You want to make sure it's clean. And the other thing you want to do is subscribe to my channel because I put up videos like this twice a week. Okay, so we got that whole edge filed and it feels pretty sharp. As you can see, the blade is balanced now. You can reinstall it. Make sure you torque the bolt to the manufacturer's specs, which is probably 5 chugga chuggas, and should be good. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.